What's up, YouTube world? Look at this. Today we are going to say hi. Brianna, beautiful wife. Today we're gonna go to the Culinary Expo in Seattle. But since we don't normally get days off during the week, we're gonna go get boba on the way to there. So today's gonna be a good day of just vlogging. So come along, friends. Thank you. Here it is. Let's get it.
I gotta try it.
Yeah. What's up, mommy? Huh?
A caramel milk tea.
I know. Sounds cool.
Why
don't you guys just have a menu named secret menu?
Yeah, it's just, I don't know. We usually tell people like.
That sounds so good.
Do you want that? We can just make it for you.
No, it's okay. I don't worry.
Yeah.
Next time.
I know, but that sounds so good. So like, how much do you guys put like the Thai tea? What do you guys add? Do you guys add like the Thai tea half and half and then the tea, or just the Thai tea?
Just the Thai tea, not
to
half
this?
and half.
Okay, cool. Wow, I gotta try that for sure next time. So it's called the Tiger?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Fire. Cheers. You wanna try mine? With the egg.
I got egg too.
Oh, yeah, yours is fire. It's very aromatic, perfumey,
It's earthy.
earthy. Downtown Seattle. Alright guys, look at that. We made it to Seattle. We're gonna check this thing out. We'll see if we can record. Catch you soon.
Wait a little bit too, because I have my bag.
Look how gangster Brianna is.
Why am I gangster?
Sugar Bones Tacos owner.
You want to put the holders for you? Was this your cookie or my cookie?
Mine.
You want it?
Oh my cookie! Well, yeah. Dang, look at we got this little tortilla. These people out of Oregon, they make these tortillas. They look really good. We're gonna see what's up.
No, I just want this sushi.
Hey, I'll carry it. Look at this view. How gorgeous is this? Look at that view. That's a crazy view. Smile, babe. Look at that. It's a video. Gorgeous like you, mama. Look at Mount Rainier. That's sick. Come here, babe. Oh. Dang, remember when we were over there and you were pregnant? We were scouting Washington?
Yeah.
Is that crazy?
Now we're here.
Now we're here. Stuck! Yeah, stuck in Washington. How beautiful.
Look at that something
Yeah, or animals or birds. Probably birds. First, saw birds on land on it. Dang, look at that. Seattle, we here. Love you, Mama. So friends, this is like a members only event. It wasn't open to the public, so they wouldn't allow recording, but we're probably gonna stop at a couple taco places on the way back home to Tacoma. So you guys are gonna come along with us. Yeah. How sick is that? Yeah, Seattle's like under, I feel like Seattle in the past has been like underappreciated, you know what I mean? It's cool. Okay. Let's see if we can use the bathroom. Alright, we're here at Carmelo's Tacos. Let's see what's up with this place. Alright friends, we got tacos from Carmelo's Tacos. Brianna got the sauce on the side.
Because the red one is really spicy, and I just don't want to do. I want to control my spice today. I hate when it's like too spicy.
And then I got 2 steak and 2 apple store. You know we gotta support the taco community. Looks good.
Is that recording while we're eating?
Yeah.
Are you sure it's like this good? I'm gonna try this little.
There you go. I already like the pickled carrots.
The red sauce is, the green sauce is really good.
One tortilla. Damn, it's really
Oh my gosh.
It's really greasy.
Is it?
Yeah, dude. Look at that.
Man.
They do napkins.
Yeah, would you like some? Oh, careful. What is your...
This is pretty good. Everything about them is good. This tortilla is alright. It just needs salt, in my opinion.
Should we go get some? I feel the same way.
No.
Why? I got some. Slap it over there for me. So it makes a big difference.
It does. They're just really greasy. Look at that. It's good. I don't like how greasy it is though. I'm gonna try a steak taco. Dude, it's just covered in grease. Look at that. It's a good taco for Seattle for sure.
They gave me soap for the whole month.
Damn.
There. How much she gave me so much.
Sure, be careful.
I feel like the more that I tasted it, like I had flavor in it.
What do you think? What?
I haven't tried that pastry yet. Cheese.
You gotta eat it like with that plate on your chin, dude. You're gonna get grease on yourself.
I like a lot of them. And they're really not playing about those.
Alright, so like a quick recap of the Culinary Expo. There was a lot of purveyors showcasing their stuff, trying to sell their products through the company's distributor. But we did try a lot of different cheeses, some fancy desserts, some steak, bacon, some gnocchi, burrata cheese. We tried all these different types of cheeses. We tried the oldest cheddar. All right, so recap of the Culinary Expo. When we got in there, they gave us these cool lanyards. I don't know where they're at. They're somewhere over here. But it has our names on it, our titles in the business, which is pretty darn sick. Brianna's grabbing it from right now. Lanyards right here. Pretty cool stuff. So they gave us this lanyard. It was for restaurants only, or businesses only. It wasn't open to the public, so we weren't able to like film a lot of stuff in there. But we did get to try a lot of sweets, a lot of desserts. We were super inspired. A lot of purveyors actually came from Oregon, and we did get a chance to run into this one masa distributor. They make tortillas, and we got some tortillas and samples from this tortilla place out of Portland, Oregon. And we're gonna test them out and see how it goes. But it was a lot of social networking, socializing, just really for other companies to get their names out there, and for us to be, you know, their choice restaurant when it comes to selling specific high-end products. So we did have a lot of, you know, we tried a lot of great bread and oils and cheese and meats, and we saw some real interesting things that you wouldn't normally see, which got our light bulbs going off. So it was good to get a nice refresher. We even, you know, invited some of the purveyors to the restaurant, so hopefully they come through and try the food. Overall, it was just a good day, a nice day to get out, spend time with each other, really think about Sugar Bones Tacos in a different light, and then come back, you know, stronger than ever. We're about an hour away from home, so we just wanted to let you all know to subscribe if you haven't. Thank you for hanging out with us today. We hope to have more videos like this coming soon. We also hope to have more days off. Yeah. Say bye, baby.
Bye.
Until the next one. Peace.